So here's how to post on Facebook Marketplace without friends seeing it. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. So first, what you need to do is to open your Facebook account. In the top right corner, you can see your profile picture. Click on it. You will see this page, so scroll down and click on Marketplace. Here you can see the posts of other sellers. To post, click on Sell. There are 3 categories of listings: items, vehicles, and homes for sale or rent. Select one category according to your product. I will select items. Then give details of your product to post on the marketplace. Add photos of your product, then give a title like this: DSLR camera. Set price. Then select a category according to your product. Select condition from these 4 options. Now give a description of your product. This is an important option. Hide from friends. By enabling this option, your listing will be public, but hidden from your friends on Facebook and Messenger. So enable this option to hide post from your friends. The last step is to click on Publish in the top right corner. Listing is in review and it will automatically publish after review. This is how you can post on Facebook Marketplace without friends seeing it.